Hey, what's happening, guys? Mike Moo here. So last time I did a video about getting the Stadia Premier Edition pack for free if you were a YouTube Premier subscriber. Now, unfortunately, that offer is not back right now. Right now, what they have is a pretty good offer too. If you're a Resident Evil fan or you just want to get the Google Chromecast Ultra 4K for a really decent, cheap price, along with this little game controller, you should check this out. So Stadia is running a promotion right now. If you pre-order this game, Resident Evil Village, for $59.99, you will get the game, which is valued at $59.99 retail, and then you will also get this Stadia Premier package. This Stadia Premier package includes, you can see right over here, it includes the controller and the Chromecast Ultra 4K, which I have right over here. This will allow you to stream anything that you want as long as your network is capable at 4K, with some caveats on there. But the key point in this whole package is that with this and the controller, you can play wirelessly, if your internet is fast enough, in up to 4K speeds, any of the games that you get on Google Stadia platform. But besides that, if you don't want to play video games on here, you can at least keep the Chromecast Ultra 4K and stream stuff to your TV from anywhere in your own network for, basically free, and the cost of your bandwidth, depending on whatever streaming services you have. So in order to get this deal, all you got to do, and I suggest you sign up for Stadia Pro, because Stadia Pro is what's going to allow you to game in actually 4K. I'm able to give you 1 month of free Stadia Pro, at least 1 month. Depends on whether or not you are a Google One subscriber or not. If you are, sometimes you get an extra perk and you get 3 months instead for free. That's a pretty decent value, but you don't actually have to be a Stadia Pro member. You do have to be a Stadia member, and that's completely free. So check out my link down below and go over there. And then what you do is you go click on the store icon. When you click on the store icon, Resident Evil Village will be popping up. If this is available right there for you, it will show up right here. Just click on pre-order Resident Evil Village. Now, what's going to happen is when you pre-order this, you will be able to play this game as of March 22nd, 46 days from now. So basically by May 6, 2021, you will be able to play this game instantly when it comes out. There's not going to be any downloads, anything like that. You play it online through Stadia, which you can play off of your smartphones, off your tablets. And now, when you get one of these things, you'll be able to play off of it through your TV from the comfort of your couch with a controller. Now, if you want to play with regular mouse and keyboard, that's fine too. All you need is web browser, and I recommend using Google Chrome in order to access the Stadia Premier games. All right, so this is a pretty good pack because this includes a bunch of other additions. All right, so it's not just the base game. It's Resident Evil Village, Resident Evil Reverse, Mr. Raccoon Weapon Charm, and Survival Resources Pack. Now, this is a game that I haven't tried yet. I am not a huge fan of this genre, but I can appreciate how fun this game could be. And for $60, that's pretty much the price of the Chromecast Ultra 4K right now. So think about it this way. If you were thinking about getting Chromecast Ultra 4K, $60, you also get a game, and you also get a controller. And if you use my link, you also at least get 1 month of Stadia Pro for free. So now I'm going to get a lot of questions about this. After you pre-order, what happens? How do you go ahead and redeem your Stadia Premier Ultra Edition? What happens is you'll get an email saying that you've successfully made the pre-order on Stadia. It'll tell you what you pre-ordered, $59.99. In a day or two, maybe a couple of the days, depending on when you ordered this, you will get an email before the game comes out with a promo code that you will then redeem to get your completely free Stadia Premier Ultra Edition. Where's that box? Basically, you'll get a code to do this, and the email will have instructions. You will then go in, log into your Stadia account, and then put that code in there and redeem. At that time, it will ask you your shipping address. It could be any shipping address that you like. You can send it whoever you like. In fact, actually, if you get that digital code, you can actually gift that to a friend. Just give them the code, and they can redeem and get their own Stadia Premier Edition. So that's how that works. I think that pretty much answers all the questions. Oh, one other one that probably a lot of people are going to ask is, how do I know if I qualify? Well, That's really actually quite simple. When you go ahead and click that link down below, you'll be able to go to the store page. When you go to the store page, it'll let you know whether or not that offer is available for you. If you were able to pre-order it and it says the pre-order package comes as a Stadia Premier edition, then go ahead and do it. Now, if you're watching this video much later and the game's already out, chances are the offer's already done, all right? If there's a new offer, I'll be sure to upload a new video, let everybody know. But if that's the case, don't pre-order it thinking that you will get it. Just make sure that it actually shows up when you go ahead and sign up for the pre-order or for the game. All right, that's it for this video. Please give it a like, subscribe for more, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.